Ever wish you could clone yourself to automate the tasks that eat up your day? Meet n8n, your open-source automation powerhouse.
Today, we'll show you how n8n lets anyone, yes, even non-coders, build an AI agency by connecting tools like OpenAI and Midjourney, all without writing code. Let's start with setting up your n8n instance, the engine room of your AI agency.
You can self-host for full control or use n8n Cloud for simplicity and manage security.
Either way, strong passwords and two-factor authentication are a must.
Make sure your n8n is accessible online if you're working with remote clients or external AI services. Secure it with HTTPS.
Installation is straightforward with Docker images and cloud guides for self-hosting, or a quick sign-up for n8n Cloud.
The interface is the same on both, so you're not missing out.
Explore the dashboard, experiment with nodes, and get comfortable. This is where your automations come to life. Now let's talk about the AI services that power your automations. These tools are the real brains behind your agency's efficiency, helping you deliver results faster, smarter, and with less manual effort. Whether you're a small team or a growing agency, choosing the right AI services can make all the difference in how you scale and serve your clients.
For content creation, OpenAI's GPT models are essential. They help you generate high-quality articles, social media posts, and even email campaigns in minutes. With GPT, your team can brainstorm ideas, draft outlines, and polish final copy, all with the help of AI. This means you can focus more on strategy and creativity, while the heavy lifting of writing is handled by advanced language models. For chatbots and conversational AI, Hugging Face is great. Their models let you build smart, responsive bots that can answer questions, qualify leads, or provide instant support. This not only improves your client's customer experience, but also frees up your team from repetitive tasks. Visual agencies? Try Midjourney or Stable Diffusion for stunning graphics and unique visuals. These tools can turn simple prompts into eye-catching images, perfect for branding, ads, or social media. They're a game changer for creative teams looking to stand out.
Start with one or two core services based on your agency's focus. Don't get distracted by every new tool that launches. It's tempting to try everything, but mastering a few key platforms will give you a stronger foundation and better results for your clients.
For example, pair OpenAI with a plagiarism checker for content, ensuring everything you deliver is both original and high quality. This combo streamlines your workflow and builds trust with clients who expect unique, reliable work. Or use image generators for creative studios, letting your designers quickly produce a range of options for campaigns, branding, or client presentations.
Map your goals. Automate social posts, generate reports, create images, or analyze data. Define what success looks like for your agency, and let these AI tools handle the repetitive work so your team can focus on growth and innovation. Each service has its own strengths and quirks. Some excel at speed, others at customization or integration. Take time to experiment and see which ones fit your agency's workflow best.
Real agencies use combos like Stable Diffusion for e-commerce graphics, creating product images at scale and saving hours of manual design work. Or OpenAI and Google Cloud to summarize video, making it easy to extract key insights from hours of footage in just minutes.
List the APIs you'll need for your automations, integrations, and reporting. Planning ahead ensures you won't hit roadblocks when it's time to connect everything, and get your credentials ready. Preparation saves headaches later. With the right AI services and a clear plan, your agency will be ready to automate, innovate, and grow faster than ever before. Now, let's dive into integrating your AI services into n8n and start building your very first workflow. This is where your automation journey truly begins. As you connect powerful AI tools to streamline your business processes and unlock new possibilities.
The first step is to securely add your API keys in the credentials section of n8n. These keys are what allow n8n to communicate with external AI services like OpenAI or image generation platforms. For maximum security, always use environment variables or n8n's built-in vault to store sensitive information. This ensures your credentials are protected, even as your workflows grow more complex.
Next, set up a trigger to kick off your workflow. A common choice is a webhook, which listens for incoming client requests or data. Once your trigger is in place, start adding nodes. These are the building blocks of your automation. For example, you might add an OpenAI node to generate text or an image generation node to create visuals on demand.
With n8n's visual editor, you can chain actions together in a way that makes sense for your project. Generate content, create images, and add conditional logic to handle different client needs, all without writing a single line of code. This visual approach makes it easy to experiment and iterate as your requirements evolve.
As your workflow runs, use execution logs to monitor each step in real time. These logs help you understand what's happening behind the scenes and quickly identify any issues. Setting up error handling is crucial. It ensures your automation keeps running smoothly, even if something unexpected happens.
Don't forget to document your workflows with clear notes and comments. This makes it much easier to revisit and update your automations in the future. Whether you're working solo or as part of a team, good documentation saves time and prevents confusion down the road.
With your AI services now connected and your workflow documented, you're ready to start automating real client projects. This foundation will empower your team to deliver faster, smarter solutions and scale your operations with confidence.
Now that your automation brain is in place, let's move on to automating client onboarding and project management, so you can deliver seamless experiences from day one.
Smooth onboarding and efficient project management are vital for any agency.
Integrate n8n with forms like Typeform or Google Forms to capture client info and auto-create projects in Trello, Asana, or ClickUp.
Automate task assignments, calendar deadlines, and welcome emails before you've even had your coffee.
Auto-generate agreements or NDAs with DocuSign or PandaDoc when a new client signs up.
Use n8n to monitor project status, send deadline reminders, and update clients automatically.
Connect Slack or Teams to keep everyone in the loop and adapt workflows as your agency grows.
The flexibility and time savings are game-changing. Let's dive into how automation transforms content and image generation, making the entire process seamless, efficient, and surprisingly creative. Imagine a workflow where your team spends less time on repetitive tasks and more on what truly matters: innovation and storytelling.
It all starts when a client submits a simple online request form. Instantly, n8n springs into action, automatically triggering a series of steps behind the scenes. The system collects all the necessary details, such as the client's preferred topics, tone, and target audience. These details are then sent directly to OpenAI, which generates draft articles tailored to the client's needs. The drafts appear on your dashboard, ready for review. No manual copy-pasting or back-and-forth emails required.
But it doesn't stop at text. n8n seamlessly hands off the content to powerful AI image generators like Midjourney or Stable Diffusion. These tools create custom visuals that perfectly match the article's theme, style, and mood. Within minutes, you have a set of unique images ready to enhance your content and captivate your audience.
To ensure every image is relevant and high quality, Google Vision is added to the workflow. It automatically checks each image for accuracy and appropriateness. If something doesn't fit, the workflow loops back, generating new drafts or images until everything meets your standards. This means you can deliver polished, on-brand content every time, without manual intervention.
Once all assets are ready, n8n bundles everything, articles, images, and supporting files, into organized folders on Google Drive or Dropbox. The client receives an automated email with secure download links, ensuring fast, hassle-free delivery. No more chasing files or managing endless attachments.
This approach delivers consistent quality, reduces errors, and saves your team hours of manual work each week. The difference is clear. What once took days now takes minutes, freeing up valuable time and energy.
With automation handling the repetitive, time-consuming tasks, your team can focus on creativity, strategy, and big-picture thinking. The result? Happier employees, more innovative ideas, and better outcomes for your clients.
And the best part? You can easily tweak and customize these workflows for any client or project. Just drag, drop, and update. No coding required. Automation adapts to your needs, so you stay agile and ahead of the curve.
Automation only matters if it delivers quality.
Use n8n's conditional nodes to build human review checkpoints. Notify team members for approvals before moving forward.
Feedback forms can trigger revisions, keeping results polished and tailored.
Automate escalation if reviews stall. No more bottlenecks or missed deadlines.
Log every revision and approval for compliance and transparency.
Integrate AI quality checks, sentiment analysis, grammar, or image moderation before human review.
As your agency grows, fine-tune these loops to match your evolving workflows.
Great communication is key. n8n automates updates and asset delivery so clients always know what's happening.
Set up notifications for milestones via email, Slack, or SMS with links and next steps.
Automate reminders for approvals or deadlines, and escalate unresponsive clients to account managers.
Integrate CRM tools to track every interaction and deliverable.
Use AI translation for multilingual updates and personalize every message.
This transparency builds trust and keeps your agency running smoothly. Let's talk about getting paid and proving your value.
Integrate n8n with QuickBooks, Xero, or Stripe to auto-generate and send invoices at project milestones.
Track time, log AI usage, and calculate costs. n8n pulls it all together for seamless billing.
Automate recurring reports and dashboards so clients always see your value.
Use n8n to monitor agency KPIs, project throughput, turnaround time, and satisfaction scores.
Always secure financial data with encrypted connections and access controls.
Data-driven decisions and transparency keep your agency ahead. Thanks for joining us on this tour of building an AI agency with n8n.
Whether you're solo or a team, n8n unlocks next-level productivity and client experiences.
Subscribe for more deep dives and real-world automation tips.
Now it's your turn. n8n puts endless possibilities at your fingertips.
Here are 10 AI agency ideas you could launch today, from content generation to workflow consulting.
The future is yours. Welcome to the journey.